homework quiz for week 8, and we're looking at question number 3. Question number 3 and question number 4 have letters in them in addition to numbers. As you know, this last week we finished up with Chapter 2 in CPM and the College Preparatory Math text that we're using this year. And the last lesson in Chapter 2 had our first introduction to algebra and these letters as opposed to just numbers. Question number 3 asks us to solve x to the third power if x equals 4. Now this can seem a little bit intimidating or confusing if we don't really know what to do, and so this is our chance to be able to figure out how to solve these kinds of problems. Let's take a look at this right here. This says x to the third power, solve x to the third power if x equals 4. Well, if we have an exponent, which is what this is up here, in this case x to the third power, that exponent means that we multiply the number down below times itself, in this case 3 times. So x to the third power means x times x times x. That's all. So the third power, that exponent up here, that 3, tells us how many times we're going to multiply this number times itself. So x times x times x. And here, down below, we're told what x is going to equal in this problem. In this problem, x is going to equal 4. X is a variable. It's an unknown. It could equal anything. It could equal 2. It could equal 7. It could equal any different kind of number. But in this case, it's 4. And the problem tells us, well, solve this problem if x equals 4. And so what we do is we change those x's into the number 4. So what we have, x to the third power means x times x times x. If x is 4, we're going to multiply 4 times 4 times 4. Let's do that right now. So 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 times 4, we're going to multiply these two by themselves. And let's do this off to the side. 4 times 16. Okay. 4 times 6 is 24. And 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So that's our answer of 4 times 16 is 64. And our answer to the problem, solve x to the third power if x equals 4. 4 times 4 times 4. The answer is 64. X to the third power is 64. 4 times 4 times 4. Go ahead and try problem number 3 with the practice problem that's associated with this problem number 3 on your own.